Okay, here's another video real quick with this air jack. Just a request. I got, you can see right there in the corner, I got a 60-gallon big boy, but then my old one is just this little guy right here. It's a Hitachi 2 horsepower. I don't know how many gallons that is, but you know, it's just a little guy, right? But anyways, I got it all charged up now. It's roughly at 100 psi, and I'm gonna grab this thing just to see how this jack does on like a smaller volume compressor. If it goes on, you'll hear it in the background. It might go on, it might not. Anyways, so it's hooked up to the little guy. See how she does. Oops, missed. One more time. There we go, now it's straight on. So right at the end, it just, the compressor lit up, but it's good to go. Yeah, no worries, with a little compressor this thing works great. You can see too, the wheels are roughly same as always, 3 inches off the ground. There you go.